1.1.2 Scope of Chemistry. Study of modern chemistry has many branches, but can generally be broken down into 5 main disciplines, or areas of study. I. Physical chemistry. It is the study of macroscopic properties, atomic properties, and phenomena in chemical systems. A physical chemist may study such things as the rates of chemical reactions, the energy transfers that occur in reactions, or the physical structure of materials at the molecular level. Organic chemistry. It is the study of substances containing carbon. Carbon is one of the most abundant elements on Earth and is capable of forming a tremendously vast number of chemicals, over 20 million so far. Most of the chemicals found in all living organisms are based on carbon. Inorganic chemistry. It is the study of substances that are not primarily based on carbon. Inorganic chemicals are commonly found in rocks and minerals. One current important area of inorganic chemistry deals with the design and properties of materials involved in energy and information technology. Analytical chemistry. It is the study of the composition of matter. It focuses on separating, identifying, and quantifying chemicals in samples of matter. An analytical chemist may use complex instruments to analyze an unknown material in order to determine its various components. Biochemistry. It is the study of chemical processes that occur in living things. It may cover anything from basic cellular processes up to understanding disease states so that better treatments can be developed. All of the aforementioned disciplines of chemistry are highly engaged in taking measurements, making observations, and using them to come to conclusions. Chemistry is about looking for patterns in the way substances behave. Because living and non-living things are made of matter, chemistry affects all aspects of life and most natural events. The scope of chemistry can be extended to explaining the natural world, preparing people for career opportunities, and producing informed patriot citizens. The scope of chemistry includes agriculture, medicine, food production, and building construction. Figure 1.2. Figure 1.2 Some chemical products. Chemistry, however, is not only involved in providing useful substances in the areas of development and technology, but it can also result in very dangerous substances that can negatively affect human beings' life and the environment, e.g. fluorochlorhydrocarbons, oxides of nitrogen, carbon, and sulfur. 1.2 The relationship between chemistry and other natural sciences. Chemistry is one branch of science. Science is the process by which we learn about the natural universe by observing, testing, and then generating models that explain our observations. Because the physical universe is so vast, there are many different branches of science. Figure 1.3. Thus, biology is the study of living things, and geology is the study of rocks and the earth. Physics is the branch of science of science concerned with the nature and properties of matter and energy. Figure 1.3 The relationships between natural sciences and chemistry. Although we divide science into different fields, there is much overlap among them. For example, some biologists and chemists work in both fields so much that their work is called biochemistry. Biochemistry is the study of the chemical processes occurring in living matter. To give you a specific example, there are chemists who are working on the isolation, characterization, and biological activities of compounds from medicinal plants. Similarly, geology and chemistry overlap in the field called geochemistry. Geochemistry is defined as the study of the processes that control the abundance, composition, and distribution of chemical compounds and isotopes in geologic environments. Chemistry and physics overlap in the areas of atomic and small molecule properties. Both of them deal with matter and energy. Physical chemistry is the branch of chemistry concerned with the application of the techniques and theories of physics to the study of chemical systems. Chemical physics is a sub-discipline of chemistry and physics that investigates physiochemical phenomena using techniques from atomic and molecular physics and condensed matter physics. It is the branch of physics that studies chemical processes from the point of view of physics. Chemistry and medicine are related in the area of medicinal chemistry. Figure 1.3 shows how many of the individual fields of science are related. At some level, all of these fields depend on the matter as they all involve stuff. Because of this, chemistry has been called the central science, linking them all together. 1.3 The role chemistry plays in production and in the society.